DJI has just made a move that's shaking up the drone world, and it's not what anyone saw coming. The brand new DJI Neo 2 has just been revealed, and instead of the usual small upgrade, DJI went all in with major leaps in range, control, and modular flexibility. This is not just a simple refresh, it's a bold redesign with a powerful twist. The big story here is the introduction of an external detachable transceiver module that plugs into the back of the drone via a USB-C port. That small connection point is the key to unlocking professional-grade performance from this ultra-compact flyer. The detachable module transforms the Neo 2 from a lightweight beginner drone into a mini powerhouse. It's not just a gimmick, it brings OcuSync support, most likely OcuSync 4, into the mix. That means significantly longer range, stronger connection stability, and lower latency for crystal clear, rock-solid video transmission. With this feature alone, the Neo 2 can now sync with DJI goggles and 3 motion controllers and high-end remotes, giving pilots a truly immersive experience that feels like flying a much larger, more expensive drone. This modular approach is a brilliant strategy from DJI. Instead of forcing buyers to climb the price ladder for better specs, the company lets users upgrade their experience simply by attaching new modules. It's flexible, future-proof, and doesn't break the bank. For under $250, users get professional-level features that previously cost double or triple that amount. The Neo 2 isn't just an affordable travel drone, it's a portable creative tool that's opening up pro-grade possibilities to anyone, from casual flyers to content creators. Built for solo travelers, vloggers, and beginners. The Neo 2 continues the legacy of being ultra-portable while feeling more capable than ever. Weighing only 135 grams lighter than most smartphones, it's effortless to carry anywhere, yet it looks and performs like a far more advanced drone. Early images shared online show that DJI refined the design without straying too far from the familiar Neo look. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the addition of new omnidirectional sensors placed both on the front and rear sides. This is a huge step up from the previous model's limited obstacle detection, giving the Neo 2 far greater environmental awareness and safety. The sensors are likely advanced optical or infrared rather than full LiDAR, but even so, they make the Neo 2 much smarter when flying through tight areas or complex environments. Combine that with an improved transmission system powered by OcuSync 4 and you get an incredibly stable and responsive flight experience. The upgraded antenna system ensures smooth real-time video feed and reliable control even at extended distances, perfect for FPV-style flying or cinematic filming. When it comes to visuals, DJI made another massive leap. The Neo 2 now records in 4K at 60 frames per second, double the frame rate of the original model, making motion look buttery smooth and cinematic. It also supports 10-bit HDR and D-Log-M color profiles, delivering a professional-grade dynamic range and color depth that's rare in this weight class. Its 1.3-inch CMOS sensor offers 13.5 stops of dynamic range, capturing crisp details and vibrant colors even in tricky lighting conditions. This gives content creators far more flexibility in post-production. The gimbal system has also seen a serious improvement. Moving from a single-axis setup to a two-axis mechanical stabilization system, the Neo 2 produces noticeably smoother footage, even in windy conditions or during fast maneuvers. DJI has packed in all the expected intelligent features, including auto return to home, subject tracking, gesture and voice control, and smart flight paths. Together, these make the Neo 2 one of the most advanced compact drones DJI has ever built, one that balances performance, portability, and ease of use perfectly. Battery life has also been boosted, offering up to 19 minutes of flight time while keeping the drone light and compact. A welcome addition is the new direct charging feature, allowing users to plug in a cable directly without needing a bulky charging hub. That might seem like a small change, but it's one that makes a big difference for travelers who want to pack light. As for pricing, DJI has kept things refreshingly straightforward and budget-friendly. The base Fly Solo kit starts at $229, followed by the Creator Combo at $299, which includes extra batteries and accessories. For those looking to experience FPV flying, the FPV Starter Pack is priced at $399, while the Premium Fly More Kit tops out at $449. And since the Neo 2 weighs under 249 grams, it falls below the FAS registration threshold in most countries. That means you can unbox it and start flying right away. No forms, no fees, no hassle. DJI is officially launching the Neo 2 on October 30th, and excitement is already building across the tech and creator communities. Many are calling it the Compact King of 2025, and it's easy to see why. It's powerful enough for pros yet simple enough for beginners, delivering smooth cinematic footage and smart flight features at a fraction of the usual cost. For travelers and vloggers, this could be the go-to drone of the year. But that's not all DJI fans are buzzing about. Just as the Neo 2 hype builds, leaked prototype images of the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 have surfaced online, giving creators a sneak peek at what might be the company's next big release. The images, reportedly captured during a promo shoot in Barcelona, reveal a familiar but refined design. The Pocket series has always been beloved by vloggers and videographers for delivering silky smooth stabilized footage in an ultra-portable form. And the new model seems to continue that tradition with some smart tweaks. The leaked shots show subtle refinements to the Pocket 4's design, including a slightly adjusted button layout. Where the previous Pocket 3 only featured a logo beneath the display, the Pocket 4 replaces that with two new physical buttons believed to be connected to a rumored dual-camera setup. These could allow users to switch between focal lengths, toggle between main and secondary cameras, or even activate a dual-view mode. Positioned conveniently for thumb access, the new controls suggest DJI is prioritizing quick, intuitive operation for creators on the move. Though DJI hasn't made any official announcements, reports suggest the company may once again be testing prototypes in real-world conditions before launch. Locals in Barcelona have even reported sightings of what looked like DJI filming crews testing stabilization in outdoor environments, a fitting way to showcase the Pocket 4's potential. If these leaks are accurate, creators can expect an evolution that focuses on comfort, control, and even greater creative flexibility. For now, the DJI Neo 2 is the star of the show, and it's setting a high bar for 2025. With its sleek design, advanced transmission system, upgraded camera, and modular flexibility, it's clear DJI is moving toward a more open, customizable ecosystem. Instead of forcing users into costly upgrades, they're giving pilots the tools to expand their gear as they grow. That's a refreshing approach in a market where most brands keep features locked behind expensive tiers. In short, the Neo 2 redefines what an affordable drone can be. It's light, smart, powerful, and future-ready. Whether you're just starting your drone journey or you're an experienced pilot looking for a travel companion, this drone looks like the one to beat. The official release is just around the corner, and it's shaping up to be one of DJI's most exciting launches in years. As October 30th approaches, drone enthusiasts everywhere are counting down the days to get their hands on what might just be the best compact drone of 2025.